He's the youngest secretary to hold the National Defense portfolio.
He was congressman of the 1st District of Tarlac.
His passion for public service and aptitude for leadership is evident even at a very young age.
Siya ang #1 top notcher sa boxing examination.
He holds district memberships in the Integrated Bar of the Philippines,
UP Law Alumni Association,
and the Harvard Law Alumni Association.
He's also a licensed commercial pilot
and a colonel in the Philippine Air Force Reserve.
The presidential who is known of Galing and Talino.
We here at UPD know that you are the best and the most intelligent among the presidential votes.
The race begins, and he's in it for the long haul. Brilliance, action, vision. This is Gibo Teodoro.
Yung vote is a mature vote, hindi boto ng bata ang boto ng kabataan. The question of this election is not so much today as what is the future. Malaki ang tsansa natin na tayo ay patungo sa tunay na progreso.
In this year's Philippine national elections, an estimated 53% of registered voters can be found in college campuses nationwide, and Gibo Teodoro is right there with them. In January, thousands of students of La Consolacion College Manila and the University of Manila flocked to their respective campuses, not only to catch a glimpse of their candidate, but also for the opportunity to learn more about his vision for this nation.
It all boils down to that. And let's start with basic education reform. Basic education roadmap for 2015, I believe we have to implement that. We also have to give scholarships and to contribute to those courses which are not too popular in the job market. Hindi lang question yun ng pag-aaral eh. Anong klaseng pag-aaral ang maibibigay natin sa ating mag-aaral? Having adequate healthcare, adequate sources ng sustainable and renewable energy. The best thing that you can do for the youth is to make their country a more competitive one.
Gibo Teodoro, the leader in campus surveys and internet polls nationwide, also provided students with the opportunity to address their concerns regarding the upcoming presidential term.
Paano niyo po isasagawa o isa sa katuparan ang mabilis na pag-ahon na inyong hangal para sa ating bansa?
Kaya po ako lumalapit sa mga paaralan, sa mga kabataan. Kayo ay may kapangyarihan. Hindi lamang na iboto ako o kung sino man. Kung hindi, maging pantay.
What are your steps para po, if not diminish the corruption here in the Philippines, somehow lessen it?
Have you heard of the policy called carrot and stick? Problema sa Pilipinas, puro stick, walang carrot. Lalo-lalo na sa mga opisyal ng gobyerno. What the Philippines lacks for me is the infrastructure to give incentives. You need an institution also to shape behavior.
It was here that close to 1,000 students joined Gibo Teodoro as they crossed through the heart of the university belt from La Consolacion College to the University of Manila. To date, over 18,000 students from several campuses and universities have already signed up as youth volunteers for his campaign. The dynamic response he received in these Manila campuses proved to be a remarkable beginning, and soon after, he would take his visionary platform to the farthest regions of the country.